Okay, if you're a single parent listening to this, I just want to start by saying, I see you. You are working so incredibly hard, juggling a million things, doing it all by yourself. And yet, at the end of the month, you look at your bank account and the math, it just doesn't add up. It can feel like you're failing, but I am here to tell you that you are absolutely not.
You're working full-time, you're raising amazing kids, and you're still broke. This isn't a personal failure, it's a system failure. So we're gonna dive into the real data that shows exactly why this is happening, and more importantly, I'm gonna walk you through the real, practical steps you can take to start fixing it.
All right, first up, let's just look at the harsh reality of the situation. The numbers really don't lie, and they prove that what you're feeling isn't in your head. It's real.
28%. Just let that number sink in for a second. That's the poverty rate for single mother families in the US. It's a huge, staggering number that really paints a picture of the financial pressure cooker so many people are living in. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. Look at that contrast. That 28% poverty rate for single moms, it's more than 5 times higher than the rate for married couples. This has nothing to do with how hard you're working, it's about the economic system itself. So yeah, the crucial point here is that this isn't about bad choices. The math is fundamentally stacked against a single income trying to do the work of two. Let's break down exactly why your budget feels so incredibly strained.
And here it is, the single biggest budget breaker for so many: childcare. On average, it eats up a whopping 35% of a single parent's income. Now get this, the US government says childcare is affordable when it costs just 7%. 7! That gap between reality and the goal is it's almost impossible to close.
And on top of those insane costs, there's a serious income problem. Working moms on average earn just 74 cents for every single dollar fathers make. And you know what? This gap is often even worse for single moms who have to handle every sick day and every school appointment with no backup. This quote just sums it all up perfectly. It's not you, it's the system. But here's the good news, and there is good news. While you can't change the whole system overnight, you absolutely have the power to start changing your own financial story, starting right now. Okay, so let's shift from the problem to the solution. We're gonna cover 3 powerful, concrete actions you can take, like this week, to start getting some control back and building a real financial foundation for you and your family. All right, the very first step, and honestly, this one's a game changer, is to claim every single dollar of support you're entitled to. These programs were literally created to help bridge this exact gap.
Here are some of the big ones in the US. And look, I know applying can feel overwhelming and sometimes there's a weird stigma around it. Forget all that. Stacking these benefits, getting help with groceries from SNAP, help with childcare costs, can free up hundreds of dollars every month. Do not leave that money on the table. A great place to start is benefits.gov. It'll show you everything you might qualify for.
Okay, step 2. It's time to master your money. And this isn't about restriction or feeling guilty. This is about power. It's about creating a clear plan so that you are telling your money where to go, not the other way around. The 50-30-20 rule is a fantastic starting point. But let's be real. For most single parents, that 50% on needs bucket is probably way bigger because of childcare. And that's okay. The goal isn't perfection. The real magic happens when you just track your spending for 1 month. Just see where it's all going. That knowledge is power. And the third and final step is to build your cushion. This is your safety net. This is the thing that stops a surprise car repair or a sick kid from sending your entire financial life into a tailspin. It's your breathing room. $1,000. That's your first goal. I know, that might sound like a mountain right now, but think about it this way. If you can find a way to automatically save just $20 from each paycheck, you'll get there. This one small fund is the key to breaking that cycle of debt and stress. Look, none of this stuff is an overnight fix. This is about building a brand new foundation, one brick at a time. But those small, consistent actions, they add up. They compound over time, and they will create real, lasting stability for you. You are already doing the impossible every single day for your kids. You are their superhero, period. Now it's time to become a superhero for your finances too. Yes, the data shows the deck is stacked against you, but you have so much power to rewrite your own story, and you can start today. So I'll just leave you with this one question. What is the one step you're going to take today? Maybe it's just clicking over to benefits.gov. Maybe it's downloading a budgeting app. Whatever it is, taking that very first action is the most important part of this whole journey. You've got this.